Okay guys, so I guess I need to zoom in a bit. So I'm almost there. So this is the fourth square. Okay, I'm gonna show you in the next section how it's gonna look like and how we're gonna seam it. But before I go, I need to show you how to seam it. So I am like almost there. So as you can see, it's just like just a little bit, and this is the row, solid row number 11. Okay, zoom in. Okay. So as you can see, I'm just gonna make another couple of double crochet as we usually do. Okay, so almost there, and I am at the corner. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just make 2 double crochet inside that space, and now it's time to make another 2 chains to finish. This is my cat. Anyway, so focus with me. Anyway, so 1 2 3, and I am on the third chain, and I'm gonna slip stitch like this, like we usually do, and here we go. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fasten off. So I'm gonna make another chain just like that, and I have my scissors just like here, and I'm gonna cut my yarn with a nice tail so I can hide it later on. Then cut the yarn, and then I'm gonna pull that yarn from my chain that I made, and then just like make sure it's closed. So here we go. This is how you finish your square. And now I cut the yarn and I'm ready to seam everything. So I finished like 4 squares. As I said, this is the fourth one. So I finished 4, so I'm gonna count how many rows. So of course, if you want to increase the rows to make like a larger size, you can do that. You can like decrease the number of the rows if you want to make it like extra small or small. This one is like for a medium large. So if you want to make it smaller, you're gonna decrease the number of the row. If you want to make it bigger, you're gonna increase the number of the row. I'm gonna like make a sheet, or like I'm gonna make something to tell you how many rows you can do for each size later on, but now we're here. So I'm gonna count how many rows I made. So from the first one here, so I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23. I have 23 rows in total from the center to the last row. Okay, so they are 23. So let's go to the next section to show you how to seam everything. And I'm sorry for my cat just like playing around on my table. So yeah, let's go and seam everything to make it wearable. See you in the next section.